Hey garden lovers, tired of pushing a heavy mower under the sun? In 2025, robotic lawnmowers have evolved into smart, AI-driven machines that take care of your lawn while you chill. Today we're diving into the best robotic mowers of 2025, from quiet app-controlled gadgets to AI-powered beasts that can handle slopes and edges like pros. And yes, all the links are in the description for easy shopping. First up is the YARBO Robot Lawn Mower module. This one is perfect if you're already invested in the YARBO core ecosystem, sold separately. It's designed to integrate seamlessly, offering smart mowing capabilities and rain detection, so it won't run during wet conditions and mess up your lawn. It's compact, modular, and easy to install, making it ideal for smaller gardens or people who want a customizable system. The AI module allows you to program mowing schedules and optimize cutting routes, giving your lawn a consistent, clean finish. Want a smart modular mower that integrates with YARBO core? Check the description to grab this mower. Next, the Husqvarna 420 IQ is the gold standard for large lawns. With a 1-acre mowing capacity and wire-free operation, this mower is perfect for medium to large yards. It comes with a charging station and RS-1E-POS reference system for precise navigation. The 420 IQ can handle slopes and obstacles effortlessly, and it includes replacement blades for long-term use. What makes it premium is the combination of quiet operation, smart scheduling via app, and accurate edge trimming, making it feel like a professional gardener is taking care of your lawn 24/7. Got a large lawn and want effortless mowing? Check the description to grab the Husqvarna 420 IQ. For smaller lawns up to 1/4 acre, the Segway Navimow i110N is a quiet AI-assisted robotic mower. It uses RTK plus vision mapping to navigate efficiently, so you get precise mowing without bumping into obstacles. You can set up virtual boundaries, manage multiple zones, and even control it through the app. At 58 decibels A, it's one of the quietest options, so no more waking up the neighbors during early morning mowing sessions. Its AI-assisted mapping ensures the mower remembers your lawn layout, delivering clean, consistent cuts every time. Want a smart, quiet mower for small lawns? Grab the Segway Navimow i110N via the description link. The ECOVACS GOAT. A 2500 is a high-tech mower for medium to large lawns, up to 5/8 of an acre. It uses LiDAR-enhanced RTK plus vision navigation, which means it maps your lawn with extreme accuracy. Dual blades ensure edge-to-edge mowing, and it handles slopes up to 50%. It's perimeter wire-free, so you don't have to deal with boundary cables, and auto mapping allows you to schedule and customize cutting patterns. If you want precision, efficiency, and AI-powered lawn care, the GOAT. A 2500 is a top-tier choice. Looking for a high-tech mower that tackles large lawns with precision? Check the description for the ECOVACS GOAT A2500. Finally, the Luba Mini AWD 800H is an all-wheel drive robotic mower designed for challenging terrains. Perfect for slopes up to 80%, it's capable of mowing hills that most mowers shy away from. With UltraSense AI vision plus RTK auto mapping, it navigates your lawn efficiently, and its compact size makes it suitable for 0.2 to 0.25 acre yards. Cutting height adjusts between 2.2 inches to 4.0 inches, and the 4G connectivity lets you monitor and control the mower remotely. This mower is ideal if you have a small but hilly yard and want precision, tech, and power all in one package. Need a mower for steep or tricky lawns? Grab the Luba Mini AWD 800H in the description below. So there you have it, the best robotic lawnmowers of 2025. Whether you've got a tiny backyard or a sprawling lawn, there's a robotic helper for you. Check the description for links to grab your favorite mower today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech reviews and garden gadget guides.